Hi Gretchen, I'm going to give you the quick version of this. This is the simplest way to post a video, even though it's not the only way of doing it. I'm going to assume that you can already get into your own class. In your case, of course, it's going to be right here like so. I'm going to do it on just a test class so that you don't have this posted on yours. But the simplest way of doing this, and there are other ways, but the simplest way is to simply to go up to the Add button, click on that, and do post student work. Again, there are some other ways of doing this, but if you're just trying to get a couple of quick videos out, this is going to be the best way to do it for right now until we can get into more detail. Under here, we can just choose video. And you'll notice here I am. Hopefully you're seeing this all right. It may ask you if it's allowed to access your camera and microphone. Of course, go ahead and say that it is. And then once you're ready, you can press any of these buttons. It doesn't matter which one. This is really designed more for a tablet to make it a little bit easier. Just click on it, and you're going to see that it's going to prepare to record. And this is going to be kind of funny because this is a recording within a recording, but it shows you how to do it. You can pause these if you wanted to take a quick break, and then you can record again. So if you needed to stop for some reason and then start up again, you can then click on this again, and it picks up where it left off. You saw it was 7 seconds before. Now it's up to 10 seconds, and I can pause again. It's paused at 11 seconds. If I click record again, I can continue on. Whenever I'm done, I can click the, of course, done button. And you can see it right here. I don't know how well this is going to work, honestly, so you may not be able to hear the recording or not, but I'll go ahead and play video really quick so that you can at least see it. You may not actually be hearing anything. All right, well, there we go. You may not have heard that recording because of the software that I'm using, and it's probably a little confusing between the microphones that I'm using. But in any case, we can come right up here now to the little checkbox. Click on that. Oops, let's get rid of that. And then in your case, you'll have more students on here. There should be a button up at the top that allows you to select for all students. But select the students you want to send it to. Click the check mark. If you want to put it in a folder, you can. Otherwise, you can ignore that. Click check again. And there it is. Your video is now posted under each student's portfolio.